In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to prep this image for print using Adobe Photoshop. So the first step to prep this for print is to change this image from RGB to CMYK. I can see this is an RGB image. In my tab right here, it says RGB. So to convert it to CMYK, go to Image, Mode, and select CMYK. And I can see it changed up here in the tab. Step 2, let's convert this image to 300 DPI. So go to Image, Image Size, and on the right, you can see the resolution here is 72. 72 is a web resolution. For print, you must have a resolution of at least 300 dots per inch. So I'm simply going to type 300 in this resolution box. You do not want resample selected. That will blow up your image and make it really big and potentially pixelate your image. And a quick word about these numbers here. This is the maximum size that you would want to print this image at. So this image that I downloaded from the internet at 300 resolution can be printed at 9 inches by 13 inches without pixelation. Click OK. So let's just go check each step. Go to Image, Mode, it is CMYK, and go to Image, Image Size, and double check the resolution is 300. Perfect. So the last step is to save this as a print-ready JPEG. Go to File, Save As. JPEGs are a universal file format that most printers can use. At the end of my file name, I like to indicate that this is ready for print. So I'm going to type print in all caps. Check the format is JPEG. If you don't see JPEG here, click Save a Copy, and then you'll see JPEG as an option. And then click Save. You may have a pop-up box for JPEG options. Always make sure that the slider is set to the largest quality of 12 and click OK. Now I would make sure to grab this print-ready file and send that off to my printer. So that's how you prep an image for print in just 3 steps using Adobe Photoshop. Follow Crye Studio for more graphic design and Photoshop tutorials. Thanks so much.